Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your camera being blurry or out of focus on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. And the easiest way of actually fixing any kind of problems like that is to simply clean up our lenses. Now, I'm not sure if it's visible on recording, but I do have, they are not perfectly clear, and in order to fix that, all you want to do is take some sort of microfiber for material like this one and just give it a nice rub. Usually it doesn't really need, you don't really need to use any kind of water to that or anything. Just giving something like this is already good enough. But there is a high chance that it is not something we want, and it doesn't really help with our problem, because let's try to go into our camera and, well, let's see. And we are in the default photo mode by default. And as you can see, my camera has kind of problems with focusing. I'm not even doing anything, and yet it has problems. And in order to fix that, all you want to do is simply click on the thing that you want to focus. So for example, currently it is my microfiber fold, but we can click on the plant. And now this is kind of blurry and out of focus because we are focusing on the plant. So I will do two photos so you can guys see. This is the photo that has a focus on this, not on the plant. And this is the vice versa. Of course, this is not really that visible on, because this is not, this is the recording of the phone. But I hope that you know what I mean by that. Now, by default, we can use the ability to just click on things in order to preserve focus, but we can also go into our master. And for example, in our master, of course, after going from auto to pro, we can click, for example, this, and now we can move the focus around. You will see that now we have a metering point and focus point. Focus point is something that we want to focus on. Metering is, I kind of understand it as a focus or as an anchor. So as you can see, going through here makes it slightly, makes it a little bit more, well, I guess, brighter, and lowering down makes it a little bit darker. And you can just keep the focus on this side always, or on this side always as well. And of course we can do a photo showing this as well. So here we have the pro photo with the focus on the plant and focus on the fold here. And actually that's almost all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have some other tips and tricks, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!